Hello. Allow me to share with you some of my videos with my family when we were in Davao last December 23 to 26, 2023. No one asked, but this was the first time where I and my family spent together the Christmas season outside Tandag City, outside our hometown. So we stayed in Iyon Towers in Davao City, and it is beside the Abriza Mall of Davao. So in this video, makikita nyo that I am unboxing an iPhone 15 Pro Max, which was a gift from my partner. And hindi lang nakita sa video, pero we were fighting inside the Power Max Center. It's so funny kasi natatouch yung pride ko, and that alam mo yung feeling na kaya mo naman bilhin pero sa ngayon hindi mo pa afford. Sense mo yun, na-touch yung pride ko. But at the end of the day, since kaya naman daw niya bilhin para sa akin, in-insist niya. Kasi alam niya na never pa ako nakatry mag-iPhone. So, with that, thank you Sugar Daddy. Thank you my partner. Iba talaga. So, I was checking the features while exploring the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So in this video rin, we were preparing for the Christmas evening. So since yung Iyon Tower, beside niya lang yung Ayala, Abriza, so nag-grocery na kami doon. So in this video makikita nyo na nag-grocery ako. And nagbayad na kami sa cashier. Yan yung mga pinamili namin. And ito pagkabukas na, we were heading to see the swimming pool area of the Iyon Towers. And sabi ng staff, straight lang daw kaliwa and makikita mo na yung swimming pool area nila. So, I'm with my ate and my nephew Gio Rafael D. Marco. My pamangkin is very cute while walking. Hindi kami sure kung maliligo kami o hindi. Gusto lang talaga namin i-check yung swimming pool. So, ayan. Ito yung swimming pool nila. Hindi masyadong malaki. Hindi rin naman masyadong maliit. Sakto lang. Nasa 6th floor nga pala ito ng Iyon Towers. So, checking the swimming pool guidelines. And number 9, no lifeguard on duty. Residents and their guests shall be solely responsible for their own safety. So swim at your own risk pala sila dito. So that time we decided not to hindi na maligo sa swimming pool nila. So in this video makikita nyo na chinek din namin yung function hall nila. Nagkataon na walang party or walang nag-occupy. So yung pamangkin ko naglaro na lang. Siguro iniisip ng pamangkin ko dyan, ang laki ng space na to. Sana ito yung bahay namin. Ito yung bahay namin. How I wish, Gio. So ito yung tumitingin kami sa mga rooms nila. Chine-check namin. And dito, may tinuro ako na parang gusto ko itong gayahin sa bahay namin. Maybe after 5 years, mag-aaya na namin. We're heading back to the condo na nirerentahan namin sa Airbnb. And yung tinuro ko, yun yung gym nila. Na in which hindi na namin napuntahan kasi hindi naman kami mahilig mag-gym. So, my ate was documenting yung pabalik namin sa condo. Uy! So, yung condo na rentahan namin has a free massage chair. So, here's my partner enjoying the massage chair. And in fairness, nakaka-relax. Ito na yung Christmas evening na kung saan we were waiting for the Christmas celebration, for the Christmas time. Actually, hindi siya celebration in a way na grand celebration. Pero these kind of moments priceless, more than a celebration, I must say. So ito yung gumising yung pamangkin ko na sobrang tuwang-tuwa niya na nakikita niya kami na parang nakahiga lang sa isang kwarto. At ito yung mga pagkain namin last night, and nagluto na rin ng breakfast yung ate ko. Kudos to my ate and thank you to my ate. Pag siya talaga yung kasama namin, hindi kami magugutom. In this video, pumunta kami sa Chinatown. Actually, suggestion ko to because nakita ko sa Facebook at TikTok na marami daw mura dito sa Chinatown here in Davao. Pero wala kami nagustuhan except sa ate ko. And so, bumalik kami ng SM Lanang. Dito na kami bumili ng pampasalubong, Christmas gift for ourselves. Yan, naglalakad na kami. Actually, hinahanap na namin dyan yung ate ko. I'm with Munching and Phil. And in this video, we were heading back home. After pala mag-SM Lanang namin, kasi last day na namin yun. This was December 26, if I'm not mistaken. So, we were heading back home to Tandag City. And appreciation post ito and appreciation video kasi sobrang ganda ng Davao, ang lawak ng kalsada. Sana maging ganito rin yung Tandag City. Puhon. So that's it. Thank you.